Mr. Waller, the state has alleged that on or about June 1st of 2011 in Cape Girardeau County, Missouri, you committed the Class A felony of murder in the second degree, in that you knowingly caused the death of Jackie Sue Waller by repeatedly striking her about the head and face and by pressing your forearm against her neck with all the weight of your body, thereby suffocating her, resulting in her death. What did you do that makes you guilty of that offense?
I did that.
Okay. Were you someplace in the presence of Jackie Waller on June 1st of 2011?
Yes.
And where was that specifically?
It was at my house.
Okay, and where was that?
It was in Jackson, Woodland Drive.
Okay, that's in Cape Girardeau County, correct?
Yes.
And you were there and Jackie was there, is that correct?
Yes.
And what happened that led to this?
We got in an argument and I lost my temper. And I caused her death.
Did you strike her about the head and face?
Yes.
What did you do that with?
My fist.
All right. Did you press your forearm against her neck?
Yes.
And did you choke her to death that way or suffocate her?
Yes.
You were aware that you were causing her death when you were doing it?
Yeah.
And that was your intention at that time, is that correct?
Yes.
Have you read the petition to enter plea of guilty?
Yes.
Are all the statements in that petition true?
Except I attended college. I finished college. I graduated.
Well, and you attended, correct? You couldn't finish if you didn't attend.
Sure.
All right, so I don't think that's incorrect. If all of those statements are correct, then you need to sign that form on each line that says defendant. Mr. Waller, is this your signature on the petition to enter plea of guilty? Mr. Davis, is there any reason not to accept this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Woodruff?
No, sir.
The court finds that the defendant has admitted all of the elements of the charge against him and that the defendant is guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. The court finds that the plea is entered into freely, knowingly, voluntarily, and intelligently, without threats, promises, or coercion, without mistake or inadvertence. The court accepts the defendant's plea of guilty. Mr. Waller, you have a right to have a sentencing assessment report prepared. On the other hand, this is a binding plea agreement and the report would not change the outcome. Do you want to waive your right to that report?
Yeah.
Is this your signature on the waiver of sentencing assessment report form? I'll accept your waiver. I understand there's a victim impact statement to be made.
Yes, sir. The sister of Jackie Waller, Cheryl Brennicky, would like to address the court on behalf of the family. And then we have a recording to play for the court following Ms. Brennicky's statement.
Ms. Brennicky?